Alright, so I got these packages in the mail, and well, they didn't come in the mail bubble wrap like this. They came in some boxes that were, well, the cardboard was a little bit mangled. It came all the way from Denmark. So I didn't really want those on video, but I have this. This looks nice. Wonder what it is. What could this be? I've got mids and highs and amps ordered up from B2 Audio for the Escalade. But I don't know exactly what this is yet. Let's find out. We're gonna open this live. It looks like some sort of a briefcase. Did I just say we're making this video live? It isn't live, it's recorded. But yeah, we're opening it live in person right now. And here. Unbubble wrapping. This is not an unboxing, this is an unbubble wrapping. It's like a mystery box. Pretty nice. Oh man, I've never seen anything like this. What am I gonna do with a B2 Audio briefcase? Let's see what's in it. Ooh, oh, mids and highs. All right. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. B2 Audio, Ref 6.3. 3 ways. Got a 6.5 right there. Little 3-inch mid. 2 of them. Well, these are threaded. They must have some sort of... I'm gonna like that a lot. Simple. Simple and highly effective is what I'm seeing right here. I love it. These crossovers are crazy. They're so nice looking. I'm running all active in the Escalade, so I'm probably not going to be using these for anything, but man, these things are gorgeous. All right, well those mids and highs are super nice, but I'm even more impressed with the presentation on this box. I mean, can't go wrong with one of these right here. I'm gonna reuse this for something else for sure. But you know what's even better than that? I didn't really feel like doing 2 unboxings in a row because you don't need to see me doing the same thing twice, but yeah, we're talking about the Escalade. We gotta do it right. We got a whole other set right here. Bam! Look at that. Oh yeah, that's right. 2 sets of reference, 3 ways. B2 audio. Man, I can't wait to start thinking about what I'm gonna do. I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but I can't wait to start thinking about it. All right, I'm still waiting on my amplifiers, and if you haven't guessed yet, the amps are also going to be B2 audio. They're on the way. 6,000 watts to the SMD version 3 15s, and a special reference Class A/AB 8-channel B2 audio amp they're making just for me. A number 1 out of 1. But of course, if it's any good, they're going to release it to the public. So wait till you see what we're about to do. Stay tuned, this is going to be fun. And by the way, this is all front stage. I'm not putting anything in the back. I know it's an Escalade, but everything is going to be up front. Anybody who's riding in back that wants to hear something, they'll be able to hear these things just fine. I don't need 5.1 surround. I don't need movies. I just need good sound, good music. So that's what I'm about ready to do. Yeah. I can't wait. All right, for those of you who are new, you're not familiar with my channel, this is what those mids and highs are going into as soon as I get the sound system started. 2015 Cadillac Escalade. Mechman alternator, excess power, battery, and soon to be much, much more. Damn, she's dirty. She needs a bath.